the science field. So teams, this match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
And they're off. We've got 4 moving bots over on the science field. Already we've got a specimen. We've got a sample up in that top basket. Looks like 16366 has their sample but hasn't placed it. Meanwhile, their alliance partners 27315 is going for their second specimen during auto, and we're only halfway through. Looks like they're going to pick up one of those samples from the bottom. Their human player, quick as lightning, is waiting for the robot to be out of that zone so they can place it. And unfortunately,
drivers,
looks like that
pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, we've got 16366 immediately going to place that sample in that top basket. Meanwhile, looks like 19468 does the same over on the blue side of the field. They go to pick up a couple of samples from the ocean floor here, placing them into their observation shows. Both the red and blue human players are getting those clips on as fast as they can, allowing those robots to place the specimens in the high chambers. Meanwhile, looks like 27315 is placing some more samples up into their high basket, picking up from the ocean floor as well, cycling them back and forth, but they're going to have to start going to dig through the barrier to find them very soon. Meanwhile, 19468 over picks up trying to pick up the last neutral sample on the ocean floor on this far side of the field, deciding after all that it wasn't worth it. It's too musky down there. They got to go find it in the barrier where they are protected. Looks like 16366 goes to place a specimen. The Red Alliance now leads by 8237, but we've still got a minute left to this game. Looks like we try to place another specimen on the Red Alliance. The Blue Alliance gets one up in their high chamber, still filling those high baskets. These teams have some very similar strategies where one of their robots goes to place specimens, the other one just cycles samples into the high basket as fast as they possibly can. Looks like we've got, I can't even count them. We've got so many samples in that high basket on the Red Alliance that I can't see them all from here. The Blue Alliance tries to get a specimen that was kind of stuck on the field barrier. As we go into endgame, the Red Alliance still has a high advantage on points, but endgame can decide all those climbs are worth a lot. Let's see if we see any robots trying to climb here. Looks like we've got one on the Blue Alliance getting in position. Are they going to have time to make it up there in the last 15 seconds? The Blue Alliance races to place one last specimen in their high chamber, and the Red Alliance looks like they're in place. Are they going to have time to climb in the last couple seconds of this game? Will the Blue Alliance make it? Oh, looks like they... Oh! While the arm was falling after the robot was turned off, they managed to place one last blue specimen. Looks like we've got a Red Alliance win. Congratulations, Red Alliance. 146-295 for match number 7. And with that, we are just about ready to start the match over here on Technology.